there, this is Mrs. Mondro, and today we are going to draw a holiday polar bear. Let's go ahead and get started. Very first thing we're going to do is find the top of the paper and the middle of it, or the center of it, and we are going to draw the pom-pom on top of our polar bear's hat, just by making a circle about the size of a penny. The next step that we're going to do are we are going to make the sides of his hat. So just do 2 slanted lines downward. Okay, after that, we are going to work on the band of his hat. So what you are going to do is make a line starting just before the hat and end it just after. Then we're going to draw another line in line with it, and then we're going to close up the ends. Okay, hat is done. Now we're going to work on our polar bear's head, and it's going to be about this big. What we're going to do is do a curved line and then stop. So here's our curved line and then stop here. Do the same thing on the other side. We'll do a curved line and then stop. Let me bring this one down a little bit more. And then we're going to do his body. So at the end of your curved line, we're going to come out for his body on both sides, just like that. Next step is we're going to add those little tiny polar bear ears. So start right below the hat or cap and make a curved line, like a backward C, and then put the middle in it, because polar bears do have very small ears. And then do the other side. Put your little middle inside of the ear in there. Next thing we'll do is we're going to work on the eyes, and those are real simple. They're going to be just 2 black dots. So kind of in line with the bottom of the ears, make your 2 black dots. And you can color them in later. I'm coloring them in because I have a black marker in my hand. Then we're going to add some eyebrows. So just add an eyebrow on each side. Now he needs his nose. His nose is going to be a long oval shape on its sides. So start in the middle, add that oval shape. And then we're going to make an animal mouth. And we do that by making a forwards J and then a backwards J. And if for fun you'd like to add a tongue, just go ahead and add a little tongue. And then the last thing we're going to do for his face is add his snout around here, which is just going to be a circle. So put a circle around his nose and his mouth. I'm going to go ahead and color in his nose while you're drawing. Color in his little ears. All right, we're almost done. Our next step we're going to do is we're going to make a scarf around his neck. So we are going to add a curved line on the bottom here, and then we're going to add another curved line. All right, so we have the part of his scarf that's around his neck. We're going to add the part that hangs down. So make a line going straight down and another one next to it, and close it up. And then we can add the other part where it's tied of his scarf behind it. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and give him those big polar bear paws if you have room. So we're going to do an upside down curved U shape on each side. And then add his claws. So just add some lines for his claws. And then from this point, you can decorate your scarf any way you want. You can color your hat any way you want. So if it's Christmas time, you might want to do it in red and green, or if you have favorite colors, you can do that. You can add a pattern on the hat if you would like as well. All right, hope you had fun drawing a polar bear with me.